How are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, I'm going to teach you some words in Haitian Creole. Just pay attention and watch this video at the end. And I promise you guys, if you've been watching it, you will be able to learn some new words in Haitian Creole. Let's go. Student, student, elèv. Student, elèv. Happy, happy, kontan. Spoon, spoon, kiyè. When, kilè, kilè. Quand, quiet, kreye, kreye. Team, ekip. Close, fèmen. Ladle, louch, funny, Komik. Nothing, anyen, several, plizyè, across, atravè. Sleep, dòmi. Appear, paraître, sanble, l'idée dit sanble. You appear like your friend. Appear, sanble. Early, bonè. Produce, prodwi. Green, vert. Jump, sote. Sweet, dous. Space, espas. Season, sezon. Aksyon. But I think guys you understand them. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to share the video, comment, and also share it. Subscribe. I love you so much, guys. Thanks for being watching it.